In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch 3 active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the silent mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the crown button, like this. Then swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here, scroll through the list by swiping up or down on the screen. Find the sound icon right here, and to enable the silent mode, tap on the icon twice until you see the silent icon. That means that the silent mode is enabled now, and you won't get any sounds from your watch. Let's bring it back to sound, and you can also enable the silent mode through settings. To do it, let's open the quick panel again, tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and tap on the sound and vibration. Here, scroll down, and we have a mute option. Enable it by tapping the switch next to it, like this, and now the silent mode is enabled. You can tell by opening the quick panel, and it's on the silent mode. And to disable it, of course, you need to open the settings and tap on the switch next to mute, or simply tap on this silent icon until you select the mode you like. You have sound or vibration. Okay, that's how you enable the silent mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.